Do you want to check if someone saved your number in their phone? Then it's pretty simple to do. First, you need to go to your Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, then go to your Apple Store, then search for Me Caller ID. Here you can see in the session, click on it, and the first one, just install it from your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. After completing installation, you can see the app icon on your screen here. Click on it, and you need to open an account in MeCaller ID. Now they will show you some features and tutorials. Just skip it, and you need to turn on the switch off that you agree with their terms and service and click on continue. And here you need to enter your phone number. From here, at the first box, you can select the country code of where you live. You can choose your country, and there are also the mobile code, phone number code available. You can continue with Telegram or WhatsApp or SMS. Now, enter your phone number and then choose one of those three options. I have entered my phone number and I'm going with WhatsApp registration. In here, after click on got it, you will get a code in your WhatsApp profile and it will look like this. And when you send them that contact me and send this message to this conversation, they will send you a code, 6 digit of code. Then you just need to enter the code in these boxes. Then you can access your new MeCaller ID, complete all the other process of creating your profile. Then you are good to go. In this app you will find others, the other number that using your number or save your number in their phone book. You can have their names and the number listed in the section. That's how you can see the people who saved your number. It's pretty simple, right? Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.